Trucking in London, what it's like? Well, it's mainly going back home on the same day. You were mainly doing local jobs. We are city people. Unlike Midlands, we're not on top money as well, because I've spoken a couple of times about the drivers in the Midlands. They're earning more than us. Yes, they're already getting 20s, 22 per hour, 21, and then the Londoners very lucky to get 18. When do we even get 20? Only when it's Easter, Christmas. I don't know even what happened on Easter this time. But yeah, in the Midlands, people earning 21, 22 an hour. I don't know whether those are weekend rates, but they actually... Why don't people go to Midlands? Yeah? Why don't people travel? Well, move to Midlands. Because of our ties. Especially minorities. You have your people in East London, your people in North London, your people in South London, yeah? Clustering. People stay together because they can see some fella who looks like them with the nose like his uncles or something. London driving is a lot of local, come back home, same time, traffic. Normally you'll be picking things outside or from the town, city, taking them a little out or bringing the things inwards. Mainly coming from Midlands, the one I'm always talking of it, the warehouse of Britain. Things may come by dogs from around here. These areas, Tilbury areas, Parfleet areas, docks areas, Shearing, is it Sheerness? Sheerness. Yeah, but they get spread out. They first get taken to the middle of the country. The warehouse, Birmingham areas, Leicester. They get sorted out and then spread out the country. That is the main thing, like distributions do. No wonder in those areas, but yes, as I say, in those areas there are less people driving. I think it's not desirable to live there. People don't really like living there. People seem to love the city, London. You know what I mean? Including myself. Over 20 years. By the way, I was thinking about it. London City is the city I've lived in the most in my life. It's no longer Entebbe, where I was born in Uganda. No, because I left there. There are less years now I spent in Entebbe than I've spent in this city here. So I'm more Londoner than anything. Yeah. No wonder I always worried to think of moving anywhere else, because I would be starting afresh. Where do I go? What road is that? Who's that there? Where are your links? Where are your friends? Where are your employers? Right? So many things. Where are your employers? Where are your mates? You know what I mean? Where are they? Whatever is priority to you. Many drivers, if they're not from London, when they deliver in London, I've seen them make huge videos. Oh, delivering in London! Oh my gosh! Because it's a big deal to them. They drive this. They think it's too crowded. Right now, this is East London, heading to the edge of it, to the M25, which is the outline of it. So this is not the real stuff I'm talking of, or they're scared of. If you deliver inwards, where I've picked up, this is still towards the outer ring. Dagenham is almost at, near to the M25. That means it's almost out of it. The real scare is inside of the North Circular and the South Circular. That's where they started the ULEZ before they expanded it to the bigger circle, which is the M25. That's the scary part. You drive slowly, innit? People get used to it. For me, I started there in Greenford. My first job, Greenford, and I was delivering all over the place. Neasden, Kingsbury, anywhere. They used to send us anywhere, but well, near, like in those areas. But yeah, you had to get used. The worst thing is parking, I think. That's why if you're not working for them dedicated places like supermarkets, they have their loading bays, so everything is ready for you. If you're delivering to small shops that are unknown, they are not even in a mall, so the mall has their behind place. But there are those shops where you have to come through the front. They are less, yeah, you have to work out everything. Where do I park? Where do you want the pallet? Bring it along. Pull it across the zebra crossing. There's a lot of, you know, patience. Yeah, but as I say, it's just many people stay because they're used to it and they love the lights and the company and everything. Working, and the buses are right there, trains are working, shops don't close. Hey, if you go out, I've lived in Essex a couple of times and I came back running. I lived in Harlow. Oh my God, Harlow had a lot of crime, a lot of pettiness. The racism is higher outside of the town. Obvious reasons. There are less of us out there. So you go there and everyone's sort of trying it out on you. They've seen you and they're thinking, oh my gosh, who are these people? Yet if you're a city person, no one's surprised about things. It's numbers, isn't it? You want to mistreat someone whose cousins are around and their brothers are around. They don't. No wonder people do stay alone. But yeah, London driving. Also another thing, what can I say about London driving? I think you never really, if you're ready to work and you're available and your situation is cool, your license is there, you can almost never miss to get a job. Because even if your agency and it gets slow, some people get, you know, few shifts, like 2 shifts a week, 3 shifts a week, which is still, you know, paying minimums. I think other cities also, they say they pay that money, but when it goes quiet, probably you're on zero proper. You know what I mean? Yeah, the city that never sleeps, the London. Anyway, wait until we get to the other place. I'll show you our arrival place. So I've dropped the trailer. I'm just on with the unit. And that's what I've done today, just moving vehicles around.